Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to convert PDF to Word document. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Having a really word converter of PDF to Office document should be a basic must-have tool for everyone working with a heavy load of files and daily basis. Also, PDF document belong to a group of the most popular files formats sent by email. How to do it if you want to convert from PDF document to Word? Don't worry, it's so simple. So here's I have PDF document that I want to convert to Word. So first, all you need to do, you can open up your browser on your PC or laptop and you can type on the search bar small PDF like this, and you can choose on here on the small PDF. Here's you can choose the option. As you can see, there's so much option, like you can convert from PDF to Word, you can merge PDF, you can convert JPG to PDF. Because we want to change the PDF to Word, you can choose on PDF to Word. You can click on choose files. You can choose the files that you want to convert. I will choose this for the example. Now it's uploading. We can wait. It's still working, converting from PDF to Word. Now you can download the document. Now let's see. Let's open the document. Now the PDF document has been converted to a Word document. Here's the PDF and this one the Word file. It's so simple, right? So that is how to convert PDF to Word. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!